Sixth grade heat. This is the sixth grade heat and matter test. You want to put your last name here, first name here. Click on your science section, second, third, fifth, or sixth. First question, water vapor, helium, and carbon dioxide are forms of what at room temperature? Solid, liquid, or gas? On Earth, most thermal energy comes from what? The sun, objects moving against each other, electric stoves. A thermometer works as a result of freezing, melting, expansion and contraction of matter. As particles experience more thermal energy, the matter will what? Have a fall in temperature, contract, expand. Blank is the measurement of the average motion of the particles in a substance. A thermometer, volume, temperature. An example of conduction could be what? Clay used for walls, bird feathers, or ironing clothes. An insulator slows down the transfer of thermal energy, is made of metal, or speeds up the transfer of thermal energy. Convection takes place from the movement of liquids only, solids, or liquids and gases. Energy from the sun reaches Earth through what? Conduction, radiation, convection. The temperature at which a substance changes from a liquid to a solid is what? Melting point, freezing point, boiling point. In a what, particles are moving rapidly and are very far apart? Solid, liquid, or gas? In which direction does heat flow? From warm to cool, from cool to warm, or up and down? Temperature measures what? Kinetic energy of particles, atomic energy, or flow of energy. When a substance is heated, it expands, contracts, or falls. When a substance is cooled, its particles speed up and contract and expand, or slow down and contract. A good example of conduction would be warming hands over a fire, eggs frying in a pan, or a snowman melting in the sun. The total amount of kinetic energy contained in all the particles of a substance is molecules of water, potential energy, thermal energy. A cup holds water at 70 degrees Celsius. A bathtub holds water at 70 degrees Celsius. A pond is 70 degrees Celsius, which has more thermal energy, a cup, bathtub, or pond. Which picture shows a liquid, A or B? Which image best represents what happens during freezing? A, B, or C? Which image best represents what's happening during freezing? A, B, or C? Which letter best represents melting? A, B, or C? Now you just click the button Submit and you're all done.